Lily Gamer back here with another banger video. And today we're going to be doing a cooking vlog. So we're going to be cooking eggs with sausage, maybe with pancakes. And it's 6 a.m. in the morning. So I'm just going to eat breakfast for school before I go. Let's get straight into it! So what you need is powdered chicken bouillon, pepper, sausage, a bowl and eggs, and a fork. So guys, first you want to cut the sausage. And now it's cut. So then you just want to chop it up. Now next one. Okay, now we're going to the next step. This is how it should look like. So now we're gonna crack the egg. Egg number one. Egg number two. Throw that in the trash. Egg number three. Throw those in the trash. Now you add, no, actually you stir. Wait. Now we get the pepper. Don't add too much. That's good. And now we stir it in. And keep on stirring and stirring. Now you get the powdered chicken bouillon. You want to rip that up. Don't put all of it. Just put half of it. And that's good. Okay, now it's good. Now we're going to go to the next step. For the next step, what you want to do is heat up some oil. Make sure you ask for permission from a parent. So then we're just going to let it heat. So now we're going to add all of these in it. We're just going to let it sit there until it's cooked. So now when your sausage is cooked how you like it, now you want to put in the egg. And now we're going to fry that. Yummy. I can't wait to eat this. And now we're done. Looks good. And now we're ready to eat it. So guys, here's the final product. Give me a thumbs up if you think I did a good job. If you want to see me and my brother eating it, make sure you go look at the next video. Peace!